Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Today we're super excited to be introducing to you something that customers have been asking for a long time from us, a wireless backup camera. If you're familiar with Auto-Vox products, the Solar 1P is the next upgraded version from the Solar 1 wireless backup camera, a previous bestseller from Auto-Vox. But with the Solar 1P, it brings forth a lot of big improvements that we're going to be going over today, including a bigger solar panel, wider camera angles, a bigger battery, and more. So let's get started and let's get into it. So here's everything you need to know about the Solar 1P camera. Gives you a 110-degree view of the rear. It's IP67 weather and waterproof. So for this upcoming winter season, you're not going to have to worry about the rain or snow. Can withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees and as high as 65 degrees Celsius. It's got great low light vision even in complete dark environments like at night, so it can provide you with a clear view of the rear of your camera. This all sounds great on paper, but one thing we do recommend is once in a while making sure you clean the camera lens to make sure you're getting a clean, clear view. Here's our second favorite thing about the Solar 1P. It's got a 5-inch monitor offering 480p view at 30 frames per second, which is perfect for when you're backing up and reversing. The monitor comes with a suction cup mount so you can easily mount it to your windshield and dashboard, whichever you like more. The one thing to keep in mind is the dashboard obstruction laws in your state or province when you're mounting the monitor. You want to make sure that it's not obstructing your view of the roads ahead. One place we recommend is the left of the windshield, right next to the A-pillar. So let's talk about the solar panel feature on the Solar 1P. It's powered by a 3350 milliamp battery that charges within the solar panel on the mounting bracket, so super handy. The battery itself, Auto-Vox says, needs about 30 minutes to charge every day. But hey, if you're parking your car in an underground parkade and you just don't get a lot of light where you're at, you can also remove the bracket and charge it manually using the cable that comes with the box. Do note that if you're using this for the very first time, we do recommend using the cable and charging the solar battery to full. It takes about 3 to 4 hours for a full charge, but hey, you only have to do it once and afterwards you're golden. One full charge with the daily solar power recharge can last up to 46 days. That's crazy. Like we mentioned before, the Solar 1P comes with a bigger battery too compared to the Solar 1. At the end of the day, if your car doesn't have a backup camera built in, we think the Solar 1P backup camera is perfect for you. Whether you drive a small or mid-sized car, a commercial van, a pickup truck, or even a cargo truck, the Solar 1P is perfect for any scenario. Personally, I really like the Solar 1P. It was really easy to install. It literally took me under 5 minutes, and all I needed was a drill that allowed me to take off my license plate and slide in the backup camera mount. I'm with Grayson here from the BlackboxMyCar team, and today we're going to be installing the Auto-Vox Solar 1P wireless backup camera. So let's get started. The best part about the Solar 1P wireless backup camera is that it takes literally no time to install, under 5 minutes. So Grayson here is going to start off. First step, we're going to start off by unbolting the license plate. Make sure you guys hold on to those original plate screws because we're going to need it when we mount the wireless backup cam bracket back on. Next, let's slide the license plate into the mounting bracket. Now that the license plate is back in the mounting bracket, let's take those screws from earlier and attach it back to the car. All right, guys. Now that we've got our wireless backup camera installed and ready, now let's take care of everything in the front of the car. Everything that you need for this next step is in the box itself. All you need is a suction cup mount, the power cord, and most importantly, the display monitor. So let's get started. Let's go to the front of the car. Cool, so Grayson, can you grab everything? We're inside the car. Let's put up our display monitor. To start off, take your suction cup mount and insert it into the rear of your display monitor. After you're good, take off any protective film that's protecting your screens. For placement, we always recommend either on the left or the right-hand side of your front windshield, or you could also put it directly onto your dashboard. For display purposes for today, we are going to put it in the center of the front windshield. Now that your display monitor is in place, you're going to take your power cord and connect your display monitor to it, and then into your cigarette outlet. So now I'm going to show you how to adjust the settings on your wireless backup camera. Everything that you need to do is super easy and can be done on the screen itself. But first, I'm going to show you how to adjust the camera angles on your backup cam. Cool. Your first step to setting up your camera lens on your wireless backup cam is to make sure that it's facing the right way. On the wireless backup cam, the camera lens is rotatable up and down, as you can see. What we recommend is making sure that it's pointing down so that your guidelines are parallel with the roads behind you. And you're good. To access your settings, all you gotta do is click on the menu button on the right-hand side of your front display monitor. There's gonna be 6 options when you click on it. The 2 that are super easy are pair and reset. Reset is just to reset your entire settings altogether. Your pair is to make sure that your front display monitor is paired with your wireless backup camera. Now, let's talk about our other options. BC control stands for brightness and contrast, so that's to adjust how it looks like on your front display monitor. Mirror and normal is to adjust the picture that you want to see on your front display monitor. Reversing time is for adjusting how long it takes you to park and how long your front display monitor is going to stay on when you turn it on. Guidelines are something you can turn on and off depending on your preference, but they're there to help you align your vehicle when you're reversing and when you're parking. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in purchasing the Auto-Vox Solar 1P wireless backup camera, it's now available on our BlackboxMyCar website. Use code BBMCTube to take 5% off your next purchase of $250 or more. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay up to date on everything Auto-Vox. Thanks for watching.